Well, right now, as you listen to the Lance Roberts Show podcast, headlines on CNBC are that stocks end well off the lows. And, you've got to love this because CNBC is always looking for the positive spin. The real story here is that the markets actually finished absolutely flat for the day, with the S&P down well off the highs. We were up over 25 points this morning at the open, sold all that off, went into negative territory, did rally back enough to close flat for the day. But importantly, big red candle to the downside here as the majority of the day's action was on the downside from where we opened this morning. So no, stocks didn't end well off the lows. Stocks ended well off the highs for the day, continuing this real big pattern of declines in the markets here over the last couple of weeks. Now, this is a weekly chart of the S&P 500. So this has been a tremendous sell-off in stocks. We're coming back, retesting, really setting new lows for the year. Now, going all the way back to January and February and March of this year, markets under a tremendous amount of pressure here over concerns of really economic growth. And take a look at what happened with oil today. Oil broke below that critical support at $49 a barrel. Oil fell almost 8% today alone as concerns over supply as well as weakening global demand continues to really surface here. And this has been on the back of a Fed that's been talking about stronger economic growth as the reason they were hiking rates. They were worried about inflation coming from stronger economic growth and pickup. Now, most of that story has gone away. The reason I bring this up is that tomorrow is going to be the day that we hear from the Federal Reserve. Jerome Powell scheduled to speak at 1 p.m. Central Time tomorrow. Are they going to be more dovish? Are they going to be more hawkish? And more importantly, what does the dot plot say? Because that's what everybody's going to be focusing on, particularly the markets, about what to expect going into next year. Tomorrow is really going to be make or break for the markets. A negative outcome from tomorrow's meeting can certainly put a lot of pressure on already a very, very weak market.